Hi everyone, it's Penny. I'm back and today I'm doing a very quick and easy to do journal page, and everybody needs a little fast one once in a while, and so that's what today's is. So I started off with just a simple sketch, and then I went over my sketch lines with a Stabilo pencil. And these are wonderful pencils because you can treat them, they're like a watercolor pencil. You can put them down and leave them, or you can add wet media to them like I'm starting to do here. As soon as I get clean water, I started with some dirty water, and it moves the marks around. You can create shading that way, and that's what I do with this girl, and it is an interesting pencil to use because you can put the pencil down like I did and do wet media over it, but then you'll start seeing places where I put the water down first and then write the pencil into that, and that gives a much richer, darker stroke. So I do both with this little girl, and I'm wanting to keep it really simple, and I'm just leaving her with the gradients of black and gray, and the color will be going on around her. So if you haven't joined me before, welcome. I always love to hear your comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. That really helps me appear more on people's search pages due to the YouTube algorithm. So that just always helps me if you do that. And I'm going to put a link of the products that I'm using down in the description below. So feel free to click on those links and go take a look and see if it's something you'd like to have in your stash to do your art journaling with. And I thank you if you do. So I have a little book here that I keep by my desk that has just little bits and pieces, as you can see, little bit of everything in it. And so I go in there and I pull out just a few little bitty items that I'm going to add to the background. But on top of this color, I take the Golden's quinacridone gold, and I put that around the edges. And it's a beautiful, beautiful color, but it's also very strong and stark. So I go back in and add some more acrylic paint to push it back with the white and the aqua and the gold that I have. And now I'm adding the little bits and pieces of paper that I pulled out of my little doodads book next to my desk. And I'm going to work those in as well, glue them on, work them in by adding some paint to go over them a little bit so they look like part of the page, not just stuck on as an afterthought. And I'm getting ready to wind her up right here. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. And if you hit the bell button, YouTube will notify you when I put up new videos. Y'all have a great day now. Bye.